Accessing Zepbound online. Zepbound, developed by Eli Lilly, is a prescription medication approved for weight management. To obtain Zepbound online in the United States, a valid prescription from a licensed healthcare provider is required. Several platforms facilitate online consultations and direct purchasing options to access this medication. 1. Online telehealth services. Telehealth platforms such as Ro and PlushCare offer virtual consultations with licensed healthcare professionals who can assess your suitability for Zepbound. If deemed appropriate, they can provide a prescription and coordinate the fulfillment of the medication. Ro, for instance, collaborates with Eli Lilly to supply Zepbound vials directly to patients through the LillyDirect service. 2. Direct purchase through LillyDirect. Eli Lilly's LillyDirect platform enables patients with a valid prescription to purchase Zepbound online. The service offers 2.5 milligrams and 5 milligrams single-dose vials at reduced prices, $399 and $549 respectively for a 4-week supply. This option is particularly beneficial for individuals without insurance coverage for Zepbound. 3. Amazon Pharmacy. Amazon Pharmacy provides Zepbound to customers with a valid prescription. Prime members may benefit from free shipping, enhancing convenience for those managing their medication needs online. 4th, insurance considerations. Insurance coverage for Zepbound varies among providers. Some insurance plans may cover the medication, while others may not. It's essential to consult with your insurance provider to understand your coverage options. For those without coverage, purchasing directly through LillyDirect or authorized telehealth services may offer more affordable alternatives. 5. Safety and authenticity. When obtaining Zepbound online, ensure that you are purchasing from reputable sources to guarantee the authenticity and safety of the medication. Avoid unverified vendors or platforms that do not require a prescription, as they may provide counterfeit or unsafe products. In conclusion, accessing Zepbound online in the US involves obtaining a valid prescription and utilizing authorized platforms such as LillyDirect, telehealth services like Ro, or Amazon Pharmacy. Understanding your insurance coverage and ensuring the authenticity of the medication are crucial steps in this process.